Lastly, any other products you have your eye on that you wanted to bring some levels to our attention on?
Sure. The S&P, I think, is very interesting. Starting with the near term on last Friday, our public forecast was for the S&P to advance from 3990 up to 4,044 to 4,045. Now, today they did get up to 42, but should today's pit session in the June S&P be unable to complete or exceed 4,044 to 45, that's an early sign that the current bounce is really just a bounce in an ongoing downtrend. Now, slightly longer term, weekly closes above $3,950 in the S&P should bring a continued advance up to about 4,150 to 4,160 or higher expected by next week, the week of May 23rd.
David, wait, give that to me again. Weekly closes above 3950 should bring about, what was the upper level again?
4150,
okay.
4160.
Okay.
Just by next week and worst case in June. Now, while short term this looks good, we consider the current advance, including any advance to 4160, to be merely a bounce in an existing larger downtrend. Longer term, we would expect a break to new lows, below the 38.55 you mentioned earlier in your program, down to 37.30 or lower. And I'll tell you something, for the bulls, for people who are wanting to be bullish, if we were to be able to close a quarter back above 43.20 in the June S&P, that would put the market in a much more constructive position, and then that would indicate a late year test of 4,700. Until that happens, though, we consider all these bounces merely bounces in an ongoing downtrend for the time being.